Electric and hybrid vehicle engineering inside hybrid and electric vehicles. In this lesson, we will study about powertrain of Toyota hybrid car, where here we will explain it with the help of Toyota Prius, which is considered as one of the most prominent and most efficient car made by Toyota. Now let us see what topics we are going to cover. First, about Toyota Prius. Here we will talk about the introduction of how Toyota Prius was introduced in the industry. Then we'll talk about its working. Here we will cover overall working of Toyota hybrid. Then we'll talk about Toyota hybrid system, which is regarded as THS2. It is actually the new technology which Toyota has implemented in Toyota Prius. Then we will talk about its components, how the components have been modified in this technology. Now coming over to powertrain of Toyota hybrid car, where we will talk about this in difference with Toyota Prius. Therefore we can say that the overall criteria done by Toyota while designing Toyota Prius was to reduce the emission in urban areas. It was launched in the year 1997 in Japan. Therefore the design was parallel hybrid powertrain, and it uses first generation Toyota hybrid system, which was having some benefits of its own. Prius is a 4-door sedan that have 5-person seating, and the powertrain is capable of accelerating the vehicle to speed up to around 15 mph, or you can say 24 km/h on electric power alone, therefore giving better city mileage than highway mileage. Therefore adding to this, we can also say that it was awarded the best car of the year in 2004. Therefore, unlike Honda, Toyota has focused primarily on the powertrain to achieve its emission and mileage goal. If you look at the weight of this vehicle, it is around 1315 kg, which is having enough interior space. Now if you look at what is the main focus of Toyota Prius, we can say it has mainly two features on which they have worked on. First is to optimize the efficiency, and the second is to reduce the emission. Therefore, in order to reduce the emission, the Prius can accelerate to a speed above 24 kmph that we have discussed now, but before switching on the gasoline engine, it can achieve this speed before the gasoline engine. Therefore, but when the engine starts and the vehicle has passed a certain speed, it operates at a narrow speed band, therefore making the engine work in a constant speed, therefore improving the efficiency of the ICE. And second, that is optimizing the efficiency, it uses a unique power split device. In this, gasoline engines can be turned to run most efficiently in certain speed and load ranges. Therefore we can say the power split device on the Prius allows the engine to stay in its most efficient load and speed range most of the time, giving it a very efficient working. Now let us talk about working of powertrain in Toyota Prius. If we have a look at it, there are 6 components. First being petrol engine, then electric motor, electric generator, power control unit, and a power split device. The power split device uses a special type of gearbox which is done to smoothly distribute the power from the engine, motor and the generator. We can also regard it as a very clever fuel saving technology that can automatically switch between electric power and conventional engine power. Adding to this, it is also capable of adapting to different driving conditions. Therefore, this hybrid system intelligently controls the power coming from both the sources and tells the car how to combine them for the greatest efficiency and the performance at the same time, therefore delivering true synergy between these two power sources. See, when the engine is running, it charges the battery with the help of generator, and when in the driving condition, such as in slow moving traffic, the generator cut out the petrol engine supply and therefore let the electric motor take over, therefore producing zero emissions. And if we have a look on the battery management system, we can say that it combines and use to stop and switch the engine to conserve power and up. Therefore, we can say that the hybrid power Toyota won't be needing to plug in into main supply to be recharged very frequently. But however, Toyota does produces the Prius plug-in for those people who can make use of its greater range. It is around 30 miles for electric mode only, and it is already regarded as plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, which we have already studied previously. So in this model we also get a plug-in version. Now let's better incorporate the working of Toyota hybrid car with the help of this video. So it is our engine and motor which uses the power split device to achieve higher energy efficiency. And in this we can see all the components, major components of our Toyota hybrid system. Therefore, engine is being used in the maximum condition. Coming to our motor, it is compact and it achieves high efficiency to achieve smoother acceleration. And the generator uses the engine rotation to generate electricity, which is sent to the motor and the drive batteries. Now coming to power split device, the power split device is contained within the transaxle, and it is the core technology that divides the energy output from the engine between electrical generator and driver condition according to the driving conditions. Coming to power control unit, it is the core of the hybrid system. It controls the electricity to provide appropriate amount to each unit. Coming to the drive batteries, they store the generated electricity and supply it to the motor to drive the vehicles there. Therefore, there is no need of charging from an outside power source here. When our car is in stop condition, all units are in stop condition and there is no wasted energy consumption. When the vehicle starts off, the motor drives quietly and smoothly. At low driving speed, the motor is used to achieve low fuel consumption. And during acceleration, our motor drive is combined with engine drive in a rotation range with good engine efficiency to drive the vehicle powerfully and yet with a low fuel consumption. Therefore, the engine drives the vehicle and charges the battery at the same time to raise the energy efficiency while it is in braking condition. And to raise the energy efficiency while deaccelerating. The rotation of the tire drives the motor to generate the electricity to store the power into the batteries for the purpose of reusing. Therefore, in this way, a Toyota hybrid vehicle runs the engine in a rotation range here in which the engine has good efficiency and that matches the driving condition and reuses the energy that has been wasted until now and therefore achieves the low driving fuel consumption driving. Now coming over to next topic, Toyota hybrid system, which is regarded as THS2. So what is unique about this technology? Actually, this technology is the latest generation technology developed by Toyota. In this, it has improved all the major components for efficient working. Let's have a look at it. Toyota has developed this new hybrid system for 2-liter engine which applies the same reducing, weight reducing and loss reducing technology which is in the 4th generation Prius. This new system realizes the improved driving performance while retaining that superior fuel efficiency that is its main feature. And while acceleration, the hybrid system reduces the engine's rotations while drawing increased electric power from the battery, thereby delivering a comfort sense of acceleration to the driver. If we have a look at the improved parts, it has a new power control unit. This new power control unit is 20% smaller and 10% lighter than its previous model, and this also allows to be placed directly above the transaxle. You can see the model of our power control unit, and the next component was new transaxle. Here the new motor features a new rolling coil structure having very few wires and also uses a newly developed magnetic steel which is incorporated around this transaxle, and therefore there is a new parallel reduction gear format which helps to reduce the losses in the transaxle. You can see the model here in this diagram. Coming to its new nickel metal hydride battery, there have been reduction in the size of the structure of the battery pack, and there have also incorporated better cooling system in it. If we have a difference in voltage in the previous technology and this technology, we can say that the previous voltage was around 200 volts while this has a new voltage of around 216 volt, with number of cells increased to about 10% in THS2. Let us understand about Toyota hybrid system 2.
Innovative Toyota hybrid system. Our hybrid system keeps evolving through continuous design and development. When a Toyota hybrid vehicle stops, all units cease operation and there is no wasteful consumption of energy. When starting to drive, a compact, lightweight, high-performance motor is used for smooth, quiet propulsion. During low-load driving, the motor is operated via appropriate control of battery power by the power control unit, thus achieving superior fuel efficiency. Motor drive is further augmented by engine power for smooth acceleration. Featuring a dynamic force engine. The combination of VVT-IE for lightning-fast changes in valve timing and high-speed combustion technology produces a quiet startup and more output, all the time giving fantastic improvements in fuel efficiency. During engine startup, this technology momentarily boosts battery output for a seamless melding of motor and engine drawing. For normal driving, a power split device divides engine power between driving and power generation by the generator. This innovative hybrid system makes EV driving possible at a wider range of speeds, allowing the engine to be stopped even at high speed. The result is even better fuel efficiency and quieter driving. When decelerating, the vehicle's wheels turn the motor and the generated power is collected in the battery for reuse. Toyota hybrid vehicles operate by combining motor drive and engine drive within an efficient revolution range. The engine is stopped whenever possible. What's more, energy that used to be wasted is now reused to achieve peerless fuel efficiency. Outstanding environmental performance and highly responsive handling. The innovative Toyota hybrid system flawlessly combines these two elements.
So by seeing this video on Toyota Prius vehicle, you must have got a good idea of how this hybrid vehicle works while in acceleration, deceleration and while braking condition, and how effectively it transfers the power or switch to different modes for saving the fuel. Therefore, as we can say that while accelerating, we can see how the engine comes to practice for completing the requirement of extra energy, and while braking, how our battery is getting recharged with the help of motor, which is being used as a generator here, therefore increasing the battery life and also increasing the all over range that the vehicle is providing. So that is all for today. Thanks for watching.